In this video, we're going to take a look at some more of the aspects within the reports module. So we're going to look at budgets, cloud storage, and cover letters. So budgets, first off, you have to have the budget in the system if you want to pull it onto a report. And, if you're working in construction, you're going to want to make sure that you have, at the very least, project contract and project estimates set up. And you're going to want to post the GL budgets to your project contracts and to your project estimates. We do have other videos that go into that in more detail. You can also, separate it out by, approved changes, original pending revisions, et cetera, et cetera. But basically, to set up your budgets, you're going to hit the add button. Give it a budget ID. So let's say you're setting up one for project contracts, call it project contract. Give it a description. And then we're going to say that this is our project contract budget. And then obviously for your project estimate, you would do the, say project estimate, and instead of project contract, it's going to be project estimate, and save that. So you want to have them at the very least in the system so that you can pull them onto reports. Whatever you want to do with your budgets, obviously you know better than I do what you need to set up and what you want to put onto reports. But if you want to pull them onto reports, they do have to exist in the system first. So there's your budgets, and then cloud storage. We'll take a quick look at that. So when you want to, download to cloud storage your reports, there's different options that you can set up. So if I hit add here, I have different storage types. So Dropbox, OneDrive, whatever it is that you use. And I'm just going to set up OneDrive as an example to show you what you would put in. I'm going to call this ABC. I'm the owner. It's my work email address. And this is what's the path. So now I got to go find the path. Just give me 1 sec. Okay, so I'm after locating that in my folder. I'm going to paste in the path, and then I'm going to hit save. And it gives me the option then to log in. So I'd have to then hit login. It opens up another screen, and I put in my credentials in order to have those reports go to that Dropbox or OneDrive or whatever it is that you're setting up. So that's setting up the cloud storage. You do have to log in, obviously. Sometimes the system will log you out like after 10 days or something like that. So you might have to re-log in every now and then when you're doing this. But this is how you would set up the cloud storage. And then the next thing here is cover letters. So if you go into cover letters, I don't have any set up at the minute, but you would hit add. And this is just to send out with your reports. Obviously, you build out a template. You can do it in Word and use the different merge fields within the system to access different fields from those reports, give it a template name, give it a description. And then when you're creating those memorized reports, you can say, this is the cover letter that I want to use with that. And as always, you can hit help and support, help on this page, and it brings you specifically into the descriptions for whatever it is that you're looking at on that particular page in Intacct. So it does give you more information here. I'm not going to go into detail on this. We don't have an awful lot of people that use that, but if it's something that you're interested in, definitely you can come in to the reports, cover letters, and look at help and support help on this page. So that's all I'm going to cover for this video. In the next video, I'm going to go through reporting periods, audience groups, and types.